Hello friends, welcome to infovizworld YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to prepare Indian tea or Indian chai. To make a tea, you have to take a pan and put a milk in it. Here we are making 5 cups of tea, so I have put 5 cups of milk. Let it get hot. Put a 5 to 6 teaspoons of sugar. And 3 spoons tea powder. Let it boil 3 to 4 minutes. Your tea is ready. Now filter it and put it in a cup. And your Indian tea is ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment infovizworld YouTube channel.